गोंयांत आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्यटकांत 70% उणाव पळोवपाक मेळटा। एशियाई पर्यटन म्हत्व आशिल्ल्या देशांनी पर्यटन विजा फुकट दिवप आनी गोंयांत चलपी बेकायदेशीर गजाली हाका कारणीभूत आसात। त्या भायर बरे भारतीय पर्यटक गोंय सोडून बाली, थायलंड ह्या सारकिल्ल्या देशांनी वचपाक लागल्यात असो खुलासो भाजपाचो मंत्री मायकल लोबोन केला। सरकारान भायल्या देशांनी पयसो मोडून गोंयचो प्रचार केलो ताचो कांयच फायदो जालो ना हाचेर हांव विधानसभेत आवाज काडटलो अशी शिटकावणी मायकल लोबोन स्वताच्याच सरकाराक दिल्या।
No failure. We have to understand the various reasons why Goa is not being considered as a very favorite destination. It's not about one event happening and tourists coming for 3 days. We have to think Goa as a 365 days. There are various reasons why there is a decline in foreign tourists up to 65 to 70%, and also in this festive season we have seen a decline in Indian tourism.
So foreign तुम्ही म्हणता टुरिस्ट 75% कमी झाल्या
65 to 70%.
Okay.
You check the figures. The number of charter flights landing in the state of Goa have declined by what is the percentage? Okay. And there are reasons behind it, and what we are doing to revive that, to bring new destinations back, to bring the old destinations, that is Europe, entire Europe. Finland was coming, Germans were coming, English were coming, Poland were coming. All these countries, European countries who are coming into the state of Goa from that country on a charter flight, why they have stopped coming into the state of Goa? This is a matter which needs to be discussed, debated, and solutions need to come on this.
म्हणजे सर मायनिंग आसा पया, मायनिंग आहा ते ऑलरेडी कोलॅप्स जाला, टुरिझमय कोलॅप्स
should not collapse. Wherever we have gone wrong earlier, we need to correct.
But तुम्ही जे भशेन सांगता,
it's not that it is just happened today. It's slowly going down. Decrease. So now we cannot say that it's just gone down yesterday. Foreign tourism decline. You have to see the numbers every year.
So who's
this year, post COVID, we are on a major decline.
So tourism minister's response?
No, you cannot make any minister responsible for this. We will have to see whether now, for the last 2 years, whether the road shows have been done or not. Doing only road shows is not the solution. First, you have to put your things in place over here. Where things are wrong, you need to put them in place. And then wherever there is advertisement required to be done, it should be done.
काय ते फक्त इव्हेंटच जाता म्हणता तुम्ही बाहेर वचून हे करप.
This, I think more debate will be in the assembly on this.